Hi, I'm Nick Lane with Smart Data Solutions. One of the biggest pain points I hear from our clients is managing and tracking their inbound and outbound connections with all their different trading partners. Depending on a client's workflow, some may be using PPOs to apply network pricing, some are using bill review companies, and some are using reference-based pricers as well. Not only can it be challenging to maintain these connections, but you also need to manage the inbound and outbound file transfers as well, and have some sort of rules engine to determine which claims route where. The underlying workflows to these routing structures are possibly some of the more complex problems we help solve for our clients. The first piece of this puzzle comes in the connections themselves. We've built connections to over 200 different PPOs, RBPs, and bill review entities. SDS is able to handle one-way inbound, one-way outbound, and full two-way connections. If a claim is out with a network for longer than expected, our system detects this automatically and begins sending alerts to both the network and to your designated staff. This highlights the aging claim and gets a jump start in the reconciliation process. The other challenge to this routing process is knowing what claim should route where and when. Our PPO routing engine is coupled with our member and provider matching processes. These matches tell us which networks the members and providers belong to. From there, we can identify which network is the primary network, the wrap network, and any tertiary or higher networks that should be attempted. Using this information, we route the claims through the network hierarchy. We send the claim to the primary network, receive the claim back, and review. Was the claim repriced by the primary network? If so, often that signifies the routing process is done, and we return the repriced claim to the payer. If not, we look to the routing hierarchy for the claim. We send the claim to the wrap network, get it back. Was it repriced? If so, great. If not, try the next network. We keep executing that process until we either get the claim data back repriced or we've exhausted all possible PPO destinations. We also know that sometimes the process is even more complicated. Maybe the routes aren't just based off the member data, but there are other factors baked into the workflow as well. Are there restrictions around the date of service, the form type, the service location, or the dollar amount? Maybe there's some sort of carve-out process just for claims coming from certain identified providers who need to be screened for based on a TIN list. We've created solutions for all of this and more. If these sound like problems you're encountering today, or if you're looking to consolidate or automate some of your existing processes, let us know. Give us a call, we would be happy to help.